The next step is to create a list of new platform instances using the platform class. You will later reference this list to draw the platforms on the canvas. Start by creating a new const variable called platforms and assign it the platform positions. So if we step back a little bit, the platform positions is actually an array with elements of objects, and these are its elements, which consist of objects. And then interpolate the map method. And map method is what it does is that it accesses a certain array and then also access its elements based on its execution, and then return a new array without modifying the original array. So if we read this, we have a variable called platforms and assigned a platform positions, which is an array, and then interpolated the map method. So we accessed this array and the elements, which are the objects, will also be accessed. So that's it. Nice.